Welcome back to Dimebag Darren, world headquarters in the corner of my living room, and we are going to be putting together our Canada $1 book, started in '68 and goes to date. And the date part is the problem. We'll be looking at that together and solving the problem of the date. No problem at all. We start out with our pile here. Let's see here. Let me just zoom in on that a little bit more perfectly. Yeah, that'll do. Beautiful book, 68 to date. But what that means is it starts off with the clad in 68, gives you 2 pages of clad, and then you move on to the Loonies we know and love. I'm missing a few on page number 1. Page number 2 is looking pretty good. And page number 3 of these is looking sharp. The problem is it ends in 2016 and it's currently 2023. And there are way more than these to go in here. So what am I going to do? I'll tell you, it's not such a bad idea. And I got a plan. Now there are a few of these different albums. As you can see, there are ones available for almost any kind of coin. Now there are cheaper albums too a person can buy even directly from Lighthouse. And I've used them, and I've sent them out to people, but these, costing around double, around maybe a little less than double what the cheapest ones that I liked cost, allow you to get extra pages. There's pages, another $5.50, but I'm going to be able to continue with my collection thanks to this. So far, so good. All right, so just like before, let's open it up, page by page by page, get to the back. Where we find the binding is 2 screws. See them right there. One here, one there. So all we have to do is unscrew these. Shouldn't be too hard. I don't think they're tight. There is a slot on them for screwing with a screwdriver. I don't think we need to. I can get these open with my fingies. There we go. Almost. All right, so let's get this one out. Looks like it's sealed. I think we just break that open. Oh, don't break it open that way, that's for sure. There we go. There we go. All right. That's cool. All right, all I got to do is put in the screws. Oops. Harder to do than you think. At least you got to make sure you get them started nice. Don't cross thread them now. That's something you don't need to do. And I have one more page coming for this book, trying to keep me ready for the future. Already got it added, but not too bad. Now we're ready to put some in there. I think I've got a few that might just do the job. Well, I have had some Loonies put away. Let's see which ones fit from here into here somewhere. This first one I'm saving is a lucky Loonie, but I'm pretty sure it's already in the book. Yep, we're not going to need this one yet. There's some's already in there. She's a little bit dirty from 2014. Hi, Queen. Let's shake out another one and see what we get. Another little dirty one. You know, that is just a regular average everyday one. Nothing special there. Kind of an ugly little 2015. Not something we need. We can go on from here. This one's real pretty. I think we'll look at this one a little closer. Oh yeah, she's a shiny one. What year is this one from? 2022. Well, it's brand new. I think we can find a home for this one. Let's try. No problem at all. Definitely going to be a spot in here for that. I think we've decided the one I've got right here is going to go right there. All right, so this one, I'm going to give it a home right there. Not bad, not bad at all. Let's see what's next. Out of the pill bottle here. Oh, an Oscar Peterson. We've definitely already got one of those in the book. How about the next one? What do we have here? Ooh, it's nice and shiny. It's another 2022, which I think we just put in there. All right, let's see what we shake out next. Ooh, jumped right out of there. That's a pretty run-of-the-mill ugly, and it is a 2012. Now, we've already got our 2012 here, here, and there, but this one's really not good looking. So we're just going to wait a moment before that one goes into the book. Even though there is a space for it, we could probably do better. Let's see what shakes out next. Ooh, another Oscar Peterson. We've definitely got that in the book. This is the, show you this one. A little bit older, this one. Probably harder to find. There we go. Definitely already in our book, but holding on to that one for sure. Next one we've got our hands on is another Lucky Looney. Pretty cool one. I'll put her under the scope. It's a real nice one from 2006, and we've already got this one in the book, so it's very cool, very cool. Now the next nice one I have is a 22, and because none of these spaces are labeled, I can see I'm going to have to move a couple of things around quickly to make room for my 22. So bear with me while I do exactly that. We're going to grab this one here and this one here out of here because they are set. Okay. Oops. Okay. Pop that out of there. But this one is going to go right back into that spot right there. And we're going to get that put away quickly here. Oopsie daisy. Gotta get her in the right spot. All right. We'll slide that back on in there, just like so, because we're going to take those two that we've just pulled out, and we're going to put them right up here. Yes, sir. We have an Oscar and an unpainted Oscar. They're going to go right here. All right, now we have a couple on our last page. Not bad, not bad at all. That's progress. All right, turns out we're gonna have to move a couple around again. So bear with me while I move a couple around quick. What else have we got here? I don't know. Let's find out. Well, aside from that, that's all I've got to put in the book right now. We've managed to move 3 to the very last page that we just installed. We have moved around a couple on this last page. And of course, we still need lots of fillers for pages like these. So far, so good. One more page coming for this book and we'll put it in, and then it'll have future proofing and it'll be ready for anything that comes. Well, I hope that was pretty cool. That's what we're doing. We're filling up our dollar book. Thanks for visiting here in this little video of mine, Dimebag Darren, World Headquarters in the corner of my living room once again. Again, thank you all for tuning in, and good night all.